How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace. This is Turkey Leg TV. So, since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, I've always loved intros to movies and videos and whatever, TV shows. And so I thought, you know, I'd take a whack at it and I'd make myself an intro. So let's check that out. Wasn't that thrilling? If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button. If you're a new watcher, subscribe. You know, help me out. So today, what are we on? Setting up a dartboard and making custom darts. And what I want to do first is I want to cut out all my dart shapes and get those things rolling. So first thing we need to do is get everything measured and marked off so we know where we're cutting and also where we're drilling. I do apologize for the planes in the background. We're next to an air station, so. So we have our blanks cut out, ready to be drilled. All we gotta do is mark the centers and drill these bad boys. So let's get doing that. Now it's time to sand the pipes, glue them up, and put them in the holes and let them cure. Let's get to it. Now it's time we get this bad boy all set up while we're waiting for the glue to heal up. So now the board's put up, I guess it's time to start working on our darts.
Now you're gonna find out what it's like.
So now it's time to just put these bad boys together and I guess test out our darts. So I guess that's it for the darts. The only thing to do now is try it out.